Your car's computer is constantly acting like a suspicious detective, comparing different sensor readings to make sure everything is working perfectly. And when it sees a P009A code, it means two of its most important thermometers aren't agreeing with each other. Specifically, the computer has detected a big discrepancy between the intake air temperature, or AIT, and the ambient air temperature sensor located outside the engine bay. These EQ values should generally move in sync because the air entering your engine shouldn't be drastically different from the air surrounding the car unless something is blocking the path. The AIT sensor usually lives inside the intake pipe or is integrated into the MIF sensor, while the ambient sensor is typically tucked away behind the front grille to catch the outside air. When these two readings drift apart by more than the allowed limit, the computer gets confused about how much fuel to spray into the engine, which can lead to hesitation, poor gas mileage, or general drivability issues. Sometimes you won't even notice any symptoms at all, but that doesn't mean you should ignore the warning light. To track this down, you'll want to start by making sure your air filter is clean and properly seated in the housing. Then, grab a digital voltometer, or DVOM, and an infrared thermometer to do some real-world testing. Check the sensors when the engine is completely cold and compare their resistance values to the manufacturer's charts. You should be looking for a reference voltage of exactly 5 volts at the sensor connectors when the key is on but the engine is not running, which we call the KOEO state. If the sensors themselves test fine, you might have a wiring issue like an open circuit or a short that's messing with the voltage signal being sent to the PI-CM. Using a diagnostic scanner to look at the live data stream is incredibly helpful here because you can see exactly what temperatures the computer thinks it's seeing in real time. If the scanner says it's 40 degrees outside but your infrared thermometer shows it's actually 80 degrees, you've found your problem area. Make sure to check the wiring harness for any signs of rubbing or corrosion, especially near the connectors. Exhaust all these wiring and sensor checks before even considering a computer failure, as it's almost always a simple unplugged sensor or a bad connection that's causing the mismatch between the intake and the outside air.